In the wild, knowing how to cook over a campfire can transform your outdoor experience. Seasoned survivalists emphasize the importance of selecting the right wood, with hardwoods offering longer burns and flavorsome smoke. Utilizing techniques like the reflector oven can trap heat and bake, allowing you to create delicious meals with minimal resources. Even foraging for edible plants enhances flavors and nutrition, whether grilling freshly caught fish or roasting vegetables. Mastering campfire cooking not only enhances survival skills, but it's also a bonding experience. Embrace these essential techniques and turn your meals into memorable moments in nature.